Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download and install Skype software. So let's get started. You'll require a web browser. I'll make use of Google Chrome. In the address bar, you need to type Skype download and press enter. You need to click on the first link, download Skype for mobile and desktop. You need to click on this, get Skype for Windows 10 and 11. Click on cancel. On this page, click on try again. This will start download the setup of Skype. Once it is downloaded, click on open. You'll get a pop-up, select yes. Let me minimize the web browser as we don't need it. So Skype is ready to install. We'll click on install. Alright, so Skype is got installed. Now it will try to sign in with a Microsoft account. And this is the desktop icon. See, I have already logged in and click on yes. Click on accept and continue. So in the Skype, you get to set a status. Okay. Then you can also have your contacts. And there is a co-pilot where you can ask your questions. So that's the interface of the Skype. I'll just close this for now. So that's all for today guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.